from dinnersdishesanddeserts.com, and today I want to show you how to make one of my favorite dinner recipes, smothered pork chops. My family loves pork chops for dinner, but these are not the pork chops you grew up with. They are not dried out hockey pucks. They are moist, tender, and juicy, and the perfect weeknight dinner. These pork chops have a mushroom gravy that is over the top and makes them extra delicious. So let me show you just how easy they are to make. The first thing we're gonna do is mix together flour, salt, and pepper. We are going to dredge the pork chops in here and then put them in a pan that is hot with a little oil in the bottom. This is going to sear in the juices and give the pork chops a nice crispy coating. Here we are gonna cook the pork chops for just about 3 to 4 minutes aside. We really just want them browned on the outside. We don't wanna cook them all the way through. So once both sides are brown, we're gonna remove them from the pan and put them on a plate. I like to cover them in foil so that they can kind of stay warm while we make the gravy. Here I am going to chop an onion, very thinly sliced, and then I'm going to slice up some mushrooms. Here I am using white button mushrooms, but you can use whatever mushrooms you have on hand. We are gonna add these to a hot pan and let them brown. The key to cooking mushrooms is to not stir them too much. You want them to get that nice golden layer on the edges. So we're gonna cook these for 5 to 6 minutes until they're lightly golden brown and the onions are soft and tender. Then we're gonna add in the garlic and let it cook for just about a minute. Next, we're gonna add in the flour. This is what's gonna help thicken our gravy. We wanna mix it in with our mushrooms and onions and let it cook for just a couple minutes until it's no longer white. We will slowly add in our chicken stock and milk and make sure it's nice and smooth. We're gonna bring it to a simmer and then we can taste it. Here you can add any salt and pepper that you need to get it to the taste you like. Add the pork chops back into the pan and let it all cook together. It'll only take about 5 to 7 more minutes for the pork chops to get cooked and the gravy to get nice and thick. And then it's time to eat. We're gonna put it on a plate, spoon that mushroom gravy over the top, and we have dinner. Perfect for busy weeknights. Your family is gonna love this. I hope you add this to your dinner rotation soon. You can head on over to dinnersdishesanddeserts.com where you can find the full recipe.